Swamiji, the main Edu Destination Awards, we were just waiting. He's just on his way. What they are. Just continue this. For the city of Kanpur, Rama University has backed this recognition. I will request Dr. Rushan to please receive this felicitation from Honorable Swamiji.
You also look like this person.
We had a very fantastic nomination. Delhi University has bagged the Edu Destination Award for the city of Bijapur in the deemed to be university category. I will request Honorable Swamiji to felicitate the honorable representatives from BLE University, Professor B.G. Mullimani and Professor J.G. Ambekar. They both have made there's a short photo and video shoot going out there, so all the employability initiators and our other people, they can just record out there. So the next, from the city of Tiruvallur, Tamil Nadu, long far, we have got Veltech, Dr. R.R. and Dr. S.R. Technical University. It bags the Edu Destination Award 2016 under the deemed to be university category. I request Honorable Swamiji. Ajmer has got Bhagwant University. So Bhagwant University bags the Edu Destination Award for the city of Ajmer. I request the representatives to come. Dr. Sharma. Nominations for the city of Gurgaon. Both are being felicitated for the Edu Destination Award for the city of Gurgaon. I would request Professor Rajesh Dhankar to accept this token of appreciation from Swamiji. Professor Dhankar of Ansar University. I think Professor Dhankar is APJ Satya University is the other contender. Professor Ghoshal. I request Professor Ghoshal. From the far northeast end of the country, we have got nominations from ICFA University, Mizoram, Professor J.P. Ramappa. I request Professor J.P. Ramappa to receive this humble appreciation from Honorable Swamiji. Can we think of Dindigul without Gandhigram Rural Institute? So the Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be university, has become synonymous to the brand of Dindigul. So I request Honorable Swamiji to bestow the Edu Destination Award. Nahar Lagoon in Arunachal Pradesh. How many of us have heard about this city? It's very near to Itanagar. We have got Venkateshwara Open University, which has bagged the Edu Destination Award, making Nahar Lagoon a preeminent Edu Destination of the country. I request Professor Sanjay Rishivar to accept this recognition on behalf of the chairman of Venkateshwara Group. It has been our honor and privilege, sir, to felicitate institutions established in such a far off corner of the country. Since our childhood, we had known about Kanchipuram more as a city of temples. But Kanchipuram is today known about its Hindustan University. and the grand work which is unfurling out there. I was assessing, the editorial board was assessing the entire form. Two very strong contenders from a city which is just far off, very near to Delhi, Sonipat, and both of them are architectural institutions. So both of them have taken the plunge to convert Sonipat as an emerging edu destination. They both have bagged this award under the State Technical University affiliated college. I will request Gateway College of Architecture and Design to accept this honor, the edu destination award for the city of Sonipat. I think Professor Rashmi Asht, who enlightened us in the session on branding educational ecosystems, I request Swamiji to felicitate Hindu School of Architecture from Sonipat. Professor Javeria, it was really an honor and it was really an eye-opener that an institution in the city of Udaipur, the lake city, what kind of technological interventions you are making. So it's really encouraging for the other institutions to emulate. I would call upon Professor Javeria to accept the Edu Destination Award for the city of Udaipur under the State Technical University affiliated college. This college was nominated by the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rajasthan Technical University, Professor N.P. Kaushik, along with others. So Pacific Institute of Technology has certainly helped in converting Udaipur as a preeminent edu destination in the region. As per Professor N.P. Kaushik's nomination, the IIT Institute of Engineering and Technology has been bestowed upon the Edu Destination Award 2016 for the city of Alwar, which is known for its Sariska Tiger Reserve, we all know, but now there is another educational institution out there. So I request the representatives from IIT College Alwar to accept the honor roll. We have two institutions of different genre who have stood for the town of Nawabs, the city of Lucknow. I would invite, first of all, SR group of institutions under the State Technical University category to accept the Edu Destination Award for the city of Lucknow. It's one of the very vibrant institutions out in the region and expanding its vistas in the larger socio-political milieu out there. We have now got Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial University to accept